Are you finding top STP underground storage tank manufacturer? And you want to remove industrial waste from water? Here is the solution. We are the best STP underground tank manufacturer in the market. We always trust on the quality and we provide the best quality products at affordable prices. So now the problem of wastewater treatment is no more. We have a professional team that does R&D and test our every product in the laboratory. After so much research, they design our plants for installing underground easily, plus by the use MBR and electrocognition technology that uses solar energy you can lower your costs, so don't invest in buying expensive STP. We provide the best quality STP at affordable prices. Thanks. Visit us at www.watchemions.com or call at +92 122 07158.